They are cadets of 40th intake, that is cadets of class 10 of Borishal Cadet College. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. At the very outset of my lecture, I would like to welcome you all to the online class of Borishal Cadet College. Dear cadets, you know COVID-19 has made our daily life stand still. For this, your joining to college is delayed. But we cannot stop our regular activities due to Corona crisis, and our college authority has to bring you under online class. Considering this, now I, Satyajit Datta, Associate Professor of Borishal Cadet College and Housemaster of Sorority House, have decided to take online class and expected that you will be with me for the next 80 minutes. So no more delay. Let's have a look at your today's lesson and topic. Dear cadets, today my topic is road accident and the name of the chapter is Social Problems of Bangladesh and their remedies. I hope you will enjoy the class. Let's start the class with the cadets of class 10. Cadets, today's learning outcomes. After the end of this lesson, cadets will be able to explain the reasons of road accident, describe the situation of road accident in Bangladesh, explain the impact of road accident, explain the ways of accident-free, safe road and the steps to reduce road accident. Keywords: Highway Police of Bangladesh. It is a reliable source of information on road accident. Next, extremely high speed. Most of the drivers do not know the rules, regulations, and laws for driving. For this reason, they drive in extremely high speed. Next, our safe movement. Walking through the footpath is the main thing to be done for our safe movement of road accident. Introduction. In Bangladesh, many roads are very unsafe. Vehicles fly on these roads with great risks, and often there are accidents. The effects of road accidents are dangerous. Accidents snatch valuable lives. Some families become helpless when the earning members die in the accident. Some people become crippled and disabled due to accidents. An accident is an unexpected occurrence of physical damage to inanimate structure. Road accident in particular is now acknowledged to be a global phenomenon with authorities in virtually all countries of the world concerned about the growth in the number of people killed and seriously injured on their roads. Cadet looked at the picture. The situation of road accident. The road accident is a common phenomenon in almost every country in the world, but the situation is travel in Bangladesh. This problem creates multifarious socioeconomic obstruction in our social life, which influences our psychological problems. What is road accident? The incident related to the roads and highways, like the owner, driver, traffic police, and the defects of roads and other incidents related to roads is known as road accident. A statistics published by the Highway Police in 2001 is observed that the total number of road accidents were 4,091, and by the year 2002, it rose up to 4,914. From the year 2002 to 2004, 50.58% of the road accidents victims died, 38.10% got severe injury, and 11.32% got light injury. Many of those severely injured died while receiving treatment in hospital. That is not included on these statistics. We will be able to know the severity of road accident from our newspaper. We can also know the reasons behind this problem, the impact of which is multifarious. Cadet looked at the accidental data of road accident in Bangladesh. Cadet now looked at the types of accident in Bangladesh. I am discussing about the causes of road accident. Number one, inexpert and untrained drivers. Most of the accidents happen due to the inexpert and untrained drivers. Most of the drivers do not know the rules, regulations, and laws for driving. For this reason, they drive in extremely high speed. Sometimes drivers without license get appointment with fewer wages. Most of the drivers are young in age who drive recklessly and overtake in a dangerous condition. For this reason, road accident is also increasing every day. Number two, overload the truck. Most of the drivers of our country overload their truck with goods. Again, in some cases, they carry passengers when persons. The use of trucks in different activities like participating in the rally, procession, and the students sometimes also cause road accidents. A big number of truck drivers are also addicted and sometimes drive recklessly being drunk, resulting in the road accident. Accident also happen due to loading with passengers more than the seat capacity or even loading passengers at route. Number three, less educated owners in order to get more profit. Sometimes less educated owners, in order to get more profit, hand over their defective cars to drivers. Besides, cars of lightweight body are seen to be roaming in the highways. Number four, do not know the rules and regulations of the use of road. Most of us do not know the rules and regulations of the use of roads. Accidents happen as we do not know through which side of the road we should go, when to cross the road, etc. Sometimes indifferent person, child, old aged people with special need walk on the road without attention, and this negligence and carelessness causes road accidents. Number five, to building shops, markets on the roads. Accident also happen due to building shops, markets on the roads, drying up of paddy, jute, chilies, and holding cattle on highway, filling mechanical and non-mechanical vehicles on the same road, or walking of the people on roads. Number six, non-using the zebra crossing. Another reason for accident is not using the zebra crossing or foot over bridge while crossing the road. Number seven, talking to the driver. Talking to the driver while driving, engaging in competition while driving with others. No prior mechanical checking of the car. Not using seatbelt, helmets, driving at midnight, and negligence of law enforcement agencies in discharging their duties are also the causes of road accident. Lastly, the highways of our country have defective design. Some of the highways of our country have defective design and are badly constructed. The negligence of road engineers and constructors and other adverse situation is responsible for this problem. Accidents also happen due to such defective roads and highways design. Cadet, look at the other causes of road accident. Picture 1 and picture 2. Now I am discussing about the impacts of road accident. The impact of road accident on our family, social and economic life is severe, which is also responsible for many problems. As per a statistical report of highway, 24% of road accident victims are below the age of 15 years and 39% are in between 16 to 50 years of age. According to the research report of the Center for Accident Research of Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, most victims of road accidents are the capable person to earn. Because of the death or injury of the earning members of the family in road accident, the other dependent family members have to live a miserable life and face financial losses. The main impacts of road accidents are given below. Number 1, the children of this family also face problem in getting education. Number 2, sometimes the victim of road accident becomes physically crippled and loses his working capability, which makes his personal life imbalanced. Number 3, mental imbalances impact the personal life in many ways. Number 4, in some cases, it may turn into suicide. Number 5, some may associate with criminal activities for their living. Number 6, some of the victims also choose begins as a profession. Number 7, someone even becomes addicted to drugs to reduce frustration. Now I am discussing the ways of road accident free and step to reduce the accident. In all countries of the world, including Bangladesh, road accidents occur more or less. By taking the following steps, we shall be able to keep our roads free from accidents. Number 1, recruit drivers with proper education and training. Number 2, mobilize and encourage car drivers to follow traffic routes and drive cautiously by following regulation of signal, giving signs and speed. Number 3, motivate the drivers not to drive recklessly or not to drive under influence of addiction, not to transport with overloaded vehicles with too many goods or people, not to overtake and to follow the laws and regulation of roads. Number 4, taking steps to make a separate lane for heavy vehicles, constructing electrical signal at all points, establishing a modern and standard driving training institute, making a safe road network by reconstruction of risky road, culverts, bridges, etc. Number 5, taking appropriate steps and awareness program for not carrying passengers and goods on the top rope of the vehicles, not to engage with any competition with other vehicles before driving, prowl, checking of mechanical defects of the vehicles, etc. Number 6, awareness of the law enforcing agencies to perform their duties. Number 7, encouraging the public media to play their role in making people aware of the problem. Number 8, not constructing house, shops, markets beside the highways or drying up of ready jute, etc. on the highways and keeping cattle on highways. Number 9, making the relevant organization responsible while giving driving license or taking proper steps against fake license holder. Number 10. Identify the alcohol drunken drivers through blood examination and withdraw their license. Cadets looked at the skin. Other steps. Number 1, avoid alcohol and drugs before driving. Number 2, stay away from distractions such as using your phone, chatting with passengers, eating, and so on. Number 3, pay attention to the road you are driving and other road users. Number 4, never assume to know what the intentions of other drivers. Number 5, always indicate before you turn or change lanes. Number 6, never drive without your seat belts. Make sure other passengers buckle up too. Number 7, obey all traffic rules and regulations. Number 8, do not go beyond the speed limit. Number 9, always be cautious and patient. Number 10, use your headlights when you should. Cadet, look at the pictures. Now I am discussing things to be done for our safe movement. Walking through the footpath, not crossing the road without looking left and right, not getting in or out while the vehicle is moving, no talking with the driver while he is driving, and crossing the road only through zebra crossing, overbridges, and underpasses. Number 2, familiarize the children with highways, access roads, semi-constructed roads to prevent road accident. Research to introduce the children about zebra crossing, bridges, traffic police, traffic signal, and dangerous places. Number 3, we should be careful about our younger brothers and sisters. It is our duties and responsibilities to assist the child with special needs and the older person need special help while walking. Cadet looked at the sample question. We know there are 2 types of question in your public examination. 1, creative question, CQ, and multiple choice question, MCQ. Observe these CQ questions at first. Cadet, now observe the MCQ 1 part. Now observe the MCQ 2 part and try yourself. Home task. Number 1, what is called road accident? Number 2, explain the causes of road accident in Bangladesh. Lastly, explain the impacts of road accident. If you any query, then ask me through message. I will be available here. Okay, dear cadets, thank you for attending my online class. I hope you try to follow the instruction that I have given you here. Now a very important point for you, dear cadets. You know we are now passing a very tough time due to COVID-19. Going outside has become very much risky for all. So never make any plan to go outside for any reason. Spend your time with your parents and other family members at your house. Never neglected your regular study. You should be punctual attending your online classes as well. Stay home and stay fine, dear cadets. Dear cadet, here is an important message for you regarding corona situation. If anybody of your family members infected by coronavirus, then inform us as early as possible so that college authority can help you for better treatment. Thank you, Cadet. Thank you very much.